Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. So we're going to show you the backup camera on a new BMW 3 Series with the new 10-inch screens. So first we're going to show you the camera. We have used the OEM style camera we have. That one is a full complete handle replacement. It's high-end resolution, high quality. You can see in some of our previous videos of the difference between that one and the low quality ones. For the camera, this is the new BMW with 10-inch screen. So we start the vehicle. When we put the vehicle in reverse, we're going to have the picture showing on the factory screen. We do have the guidelines moving with the steering. This also has an option for front camera view. Has an option for 2 side camera views. When you put the vehicle back in park or in drive, the screen will go back to factory. Any camera add-ons or information about cameras you can find on our website, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.